Hello friends, today we are going to introduce how to install Trading Finder indicators on the MetaTrader 4 platform. On this page, you can find out how to access and install Trading Finder indicators on various platforms. On this page, you can select your desired indicator from the indicator section of MetaTrader 4. On this page, you can read detailed information about how the indicator works. And from this section, you can download the file related to Kuisen, the MetaTrader 4 platform. We enter the MetaTrader 4 platform space, the File tab, the Open Data folder section. We enter the MQL4 folder. We enter the indicator folder. Here you can drag and drop the relevant file and add it to this section. After adding the indicator file to the folder in this section, the Navigator section will refresh by right-clicking and selecting the Refresh section. The corresponding indicator will be added to this section. You can run the indicator in this section by selecting the indicator and dragging the file onto the chart. Here we can see that it has identified the BPR and SFB limits for us. Well friends, we have reached the end of the tutorial on how to install the indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.